I've always wanted to fly a drone, but it just looks so hard. It looks so difficult. Like, what if it actually ends up falling out of the sky and hitting someone on the head?
That was me before I got my first DJI drone. And now that 360 drones are a thing, I'm seeing the same kind of mindset, that they're only meant for experts. And honestly, that could not be further from the truth. So let's talk about it. So what you've probably seen floating around is the DJI Avata 360. It's the latest addition to DJI's lineup and their first proper 360 drone. Now straight away you might think that's designed for professionals only, but when you actually look into it, you can clearly see they are designed for beginners in mind. I think the biggest misconception is that more advanced drones automatically means more difficulty. But with something like the DJI Avata 360, that's kind of the opposite. A lot of complexity is handled for you, which actually makes it easier for you to get started. So instead of worrying about everything being perfect, you can focus on being comfortable and build your confidence to become an expert. Now let's talk about one of the biggest concerns, which is crashing. And that's often something that stops a lot of people from getting started or actually even buying a drone. The Avata 360 has omnidirectional obstacle sensing, so it's constantly scanning what's around it and helping you avoid collisions. So it's not just one direction, it's literally all around. And it even works in low light conditions, which makes it a lot more forgiving than the usual drones, which means you can fly this at night and still get decent results. Plus, with the integrated propeller guards, you've got an extra level of safety, so you're not just relying on your own skills, the drone is actively helping you out. Another big thing is how easy it is to learn. It uses the RC2 controller and also supports motion-based controls, which are designed to feel a lot more natural, especially if you're new. But what I love about DJI is they don't just give you the drone and leave you to it. Their app has built-in tutorials that literally break everything down step by step, from basic controls to more advanced moves. So you're not just guessing or learning through trial and error, you've actually got guidance the whole way through. And you can even use simulators in the app to fly a virtual drone using the RC2, so you get used to the movements when you actually fly the real thing. Now that's all good, but of course none of that actually matters if the quality isn't good. And this is where the Avata 360 seriously delivers. You're getting 8K 60 frames per second HDR panoramic video and 120 megapixel photo. So even if you're just starting out, the results you're getting are genuinely high end. And something that's actually interesting with 360 drones is that they're capturing everything in one go. So instead of stressing about framing the perfect shot while flying, you could focus on the movement and adjust everything later. Which to some people might actually sound complex, but in a way, it's more beginner friendly. Now in terms of pricing, you're probably thinking this has to be at least around 1.5 to 2K. I thought the same thing. But then I went onto the website and it was actually a bit of a pleasant surprise. You can pre-order these starting at just £409 for the drone only, and then £639 for the drone and the RC2. And then you've got the fly mode combo or the motion fly mode combo coming in at around £829, which actually makes it one of, if not the cheapest 360 drone on the market right now, and that's by a long margin. So going back to the mindset at the start, it's too difficult, it's too risky, it's not beginner friendly. So what DJI has essentially done is tackle those barriers one by one. It's not too difficult, it's not too risky, and it's beginner friendly. So anyone from an expert or a beginner can fly this with confidence that they won't crash it and lose their drone. So if you've been thinking about getting into drones, especially 360, this is one place you can definitely start. You can pre-order this now, I'll leave the link in the description. That's all for now. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!